My name is Edmond Abujuram. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Beck Academy. And Beck Academy is a social enterprise that is designed to inspire young people and to help them transition from non-tech backgrounds to tech backgrounds, and also to build people's capacity. My session is about code is not enough, and it basically talks about the Python community and making sure the Python community, or any community in general, is inclusive and makes people feel like they belong to that community. PyCon Ghana, per my description, is accessible, inclusive, and welcoming. And the reason why I chose them is because Python is a very flexible programming language, and it's very accessible. You can use it for any other thing you want to do. It cuts across a lot of fields, so it's accessible, and the Python community makes you feel welcomed. They make you feel responsible for that community, and they help you in whatever way you are trying to build yourself. So those are some of the three things that I think describes the Python community and the reasons why I chose Python community.